Small-scale woodworking is a rewarding way to bring craftsmanship into compact living environments. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small-scale woodworking, big impact, clever projects for limited space you can use for your home and office decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Working within limited square footage often means thinking creatively about form, function, and storage. It also encourages makers to focus on projects that maximize utility without demanding a large workshop or extensive materials. When space is tight, successful projects are those that serve multiple purposes, stow away neatly when not in use, and add visual warmth and personality to a home. Approaching woodworking with an emphasis on clever design and efficient use of materials lets even modestly equipped makers produce pieces that feel expensive, intentional, and enduring. One of the most practical philosophies for small-space woodworking is to prioritize multifunctionality. Pieces that combine storage with seating, tables that expand or collapse, and wall-mounted furniture that frees up floor area are all invaluable. For example, a simple bench with a hinged seat can hide a roomy storage compartment for shoes, blankets, or tools. The bench's footprint is small, but its utility is multiplied. It provides seating, an entryway landing zone, and concealed storage. Building such pieces requires modest joinery, box joints, rabbets, and hinge installation. Experienced woodworkers. Wall-mounted designs are another cornerstone of smart small-space woodworking. Shelves, fold-down desks, and Murphy-style tables reclaim wall plane and make rooms more adaptable. A fold-down desk can be built from a single sheet of plywood and a pair of sturdy hinges. Adding internal cubbies, a shallow drawer, or a cable hole turns it into a fully functional workspace that disappears when not in use. Floating shelves with hidden brackets provide display space without bulky supports, and staggered arrangements add visual interest while accommodating books, plants, or kitchen essentials. Materials for wall-mounted pieces can be simple, plywood, pine, or salvaged wood, making these projects affordable and quick to build. Compact furniture often benefits from clever hardware choices. Soft-close hinges on hidden storage chests give a refined user experience. Folding or sliding mechanisms allow tables to go from coffee height to dining height, and removable legs make stools and side tables portable and easy to store. When selecting hardware, consider weight, frequency of use, and aesthetic compatibility with the wood. Concealed hardware preserves clean lines, while exposed brass or black steel fittings can become a design feature. Balancing the cost of higher-end hardware with the longevity and functionality it brings is part of thoughtful project planning. Efficient material use is central in small-scale woodworking. Working from a single sheet of plywood enables multiple components to be cut with minimal waste. Nesting parts and planning grain direction before cutting can yield enough pieces for several projects. Offcuts are treasure in a small woodshop. Short lengths of hardwood are perfect for making handles, small boxes, inlays, or edge banding. Upcycling pallets or salvaged furniture supplies both character and economy. Reclaimed wood often carries a patina and story that new lumber lacks. Varnishes highlight grain and warmth, while milk paint or tung oil can elevate plain pine into a rustic modern focal point. Lighting and scale play a big role in how a piece reads in a small room. Low-profile furniture keeps sightlines open. Slim legs, tapered profiles, and transparent elements such as glass or open shelving reduce visual weight. Pieces that sit up on legs rather than flat on the floor let light pass underneath and make a room feel larger. Likewise, using lighter wood tones or painting parts of a piece in a neutral color can prevent it from dominating the space. For instance, a narrow console table with a light-stained top and white-painted apron and legs can feel airy and modern while still providing a valuable surface for keys, mail, and decor. Small woodworking projects also offer excellent opportunities to hone joinery techniques. Simple dovetails, half-laps, and finger joints not only produce strong connections but also add visual detail that elevates even modest pieces. Open joinery can lighten a design. Instead of fully enclosed cabinets, consider slatted constructions that reduce material use and allow for airflow, useful for shoe storage or kitchen shelving. When building items like narrow bookcases or corner cabinets, think about reinforcing with simple but effective techniques like cleats, tapered dowels, or interlocking rabbets to maximize stability while keeping assembly straightforward. Storage solutions are perhaps the most impactful category for small spaces. Vertical storage makes use of height rather than floor area. Think tall, slim cabinets, pegboards, and rail systems. A pegboard wall for tools or kitchen utensils turns an ugly clutter problem into an organized, decorative display. Modular cubes or stackable boxes allow homeowners to reconfigure storage as needs change. Into highly functional zones. Small, well-made storage pieces deliver outsized value because they directly address the common pain point of limited storage in compact homes. Transformative small pieces can also be highly personal. Handmade cutting boards, spice racks, picture frames, and wall hooks infuse a space with handcrafted details that give warmth and meaning. These projects are approachable for beginners and offer fast, tangible results. Floating bedside shelves, a small plant stand, or a crafted wooden tray can become signature elements that make a small apartment feel curated. Personalizing these items with routed edges, simple inlays, or custom stains creates cohesion with the rest of the decor and showcases the maker's touch. Small successes compound into the confidence needed for larger undertakings. Sharing these pieces through local craft markets, online platforms, or with friends can also provide feedback and lead to collaborative ideas that push a maker's abilities further. Sustainability is a natural fit for small-scale woodworking. Minimizing waste, using reclaimed or locally sourced wood, and choosing finishes with low volatile organic compounds are small steps with meaningful environmental impact. Designing for disassembly also extends a piece's life. Using screws, removable fasteners, or knockdown joinery means parts can be repaired, replaced, or repurposed instead of discarded. In tight living spaces, durable and adaptable furniture reduces consumption by preventing the need for frequent replacements. Finally, the emotional payoff of small-scale woodworking should not be underestimated. Creating functional objects that improve daily life, an organized entryway, a cozy reading nook, a perfectly sized plant stand, quicker to complete than large furniture, which provides fast gratification and constant reminders of one's skills. The aesthetic charm of wood, its grain, warmth, and tactile quality, brings a sense of calm and craft to compact environments that can otherwise feel utilitarian and impersonal. In short, small-scale woodworking is about making the most of little space through thoughtful design, efficient materials, and clever function. Projects that combine multiple uses, exploit vertical space, and focus on refined details deliver big impact without large footprints. For makers with limited workshop and living space, the discipline of working small can produce elegant, durable, and deeply satisfying pieces that transform how they live, entertain, and organize. With an emphasis on creativity, planning, and a few well-chosen techniques, compact woodworking becomes a powerful way to bring custom, handcrafted solutions into any small home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.